Quick, just before the video starts, this channel has a daily giveaway of 1 million Shiba tokens. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and comment #Shiba Inu. Good luck. Something insane is about to happen to Shib. Shiba could be getting listed on Robinhood in the very near future. New information has come out about the Robinhood Shiba Inu listing, and it is good news for the Shib army. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to not miss out on any important details. What's up, Shib army, and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, then a very special welcome to you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on to make sure you don't miss out on any important Shiba news or crypto market updates. With that said, let's get straight into today's video. Over the past few days, the price of Shiba Inu coin has risen dramatically, at one point becoming the 13th most valued cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Its value has more than tripled in the past week, and billionaire tycoon Elon Musk is being credited for the rise. A cryptic tweet by Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk on October 4th was widely credited for the coin's rapid surge. The cryptocurrency enthusiast, who has previously supported cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin and Dogecoin, had shared an image of his pet dog Floki enjoying the sunshine on a Tesla electric car. The image had caused quite a stir, and many saw it as his endorsement of the new Shiba Inu coin. In today's video, I am going to be talking about Robinhood listing Shiba Inu and how this is going to send Shiba's price skyrocketing. Given the massive value increase, the demand for its addition to major cryptocurrency platforms is growing. A petition circulated on change.org, urging Robinhood cryptocurrency trading app to add the virtual coin. Last night surpassed 200,000 endorsements. The demand spiked after the app added Shiba Inu coin's primary rival Dogecoin on its platform. The petition said Dogecoin's addition to Robinhood has been a success, and Shiba Inu is a similar meme coin with genuine potential, and it has been gaining new ground by the day. It said Shiba was recently listed on Binance and has performed well for its customers. Let's encourage Robinhood to be the first traditional brokerage to get on this train. Thank you, it added. Launched in August 2020 by the anonymous founder known as 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝘁𝘀, Shiba Inu is positioned as a Dogecoin killer and aspires to be an Ethereum-based alternative to the popular meme. Its value rose from $0.000000723 on October 1st to $0.0000347 on October 7th. However, some of that gain has tapered off, and Shib price was around $0.000002308 at the time of recording this video. This petition gaining lots of signatures is actually very good for Shiba Inu, and it shows Robinhood that Shiba Inu will definitely bring a huge amount of traffic to the app, which makes it a win-win for both Robinhood and the Shib army. I think that the Robinhood listing date is only getting closer and closer due to the fact that multiple popular crypto exchanges are listing the coin. Most recently, popular exchange Bitpanda has listed Shiba Inu due to the large demand. Their announcement tweet did quite well, receiving over 3,000 likes and over 13 retweets. This is largely due to the fact that the official Shib token Twitter account now has over 1.1 million followers. This large following will be the main reason that Robinhood lists the coin on their platform. Currently, Shiba is priced at the number on screen now and is currently down 7.1% in the past 24 hours and is up a massive 243.0% in the past 7 days. It also currently has a market cap of $12.9 billion. Shiba has had a trading volume of $6,598,815,075 in the past 24 hours. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. What do you guys think the future holds for Shiba Inu token, and do you believe the coin could explode to 10 cents in the near future? Please let me know in the comments what you think. I always reply to all comments. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and also support us by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.